So today, let's talk about SHTF Medical. There's one thing that most people have not included in their first aid kit, their EDC, their survival supplies, their bug out bag. And what that is a small mirror. You're going to need a mirror that is approximately 4 by 4 inches. Now, this can be a signal mirror, or it can be a mirror you buy in a drugstore for $1 or $2. What this is used for is looking at injuries and conditions on your body that are not visible. So what happens is a lot of times people will be farming or they'll be out in the wilderness and they'll get hurt and they're by themselves. And if you get an injury on the back, parts of your arms, parts of your legs, your butt, your neck, your head, the back of your head, the top of your head, these areas are not visible. If you don't have a buddy with you to treat you, you won't know what these injuries look like and how to treat them. So if you have a small mirror in your EDC or your first aid kit, you can look at these areas and treat the injury. Because the first step to treatment is ascertaining what type of injury it is and what the problem is and how to go about fixing it. Now, the second part of that is you're going to need self-adhesive bandages because you may not be able to wrap these areas. It'll be hard just to reach them with your hands. You got areas in your back that are very hard to reach. So think about this. Do you have a mirror? And do you have self-adhesive bandages? Please share your thoughts. We'll see you on the next video.